The music is so loud this morning. I think it's something to do with Chinese New Year. I don't know. It's at a temple, but the temple's miles away.
That could be the healthiest cows I've ever seen. We've got 141 genders or something there.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
So
We didn't know about
these
that.
guys identify as down from their neck.
They're pelicans.
They must store water or food in there, would they? I don't know, because I don't normally see it.
Wow.
Hi, darling. Come over here, I'll give you a pat. Come on. Come on.
Nice, huh?
Get a nice green thing. Yeah. Nice good grass.
Sniffing. Sorry.
Oh, that's a berry. You poor thing, look out. The white one's a berry.
What's in the boot? Oh, someone's
hang on.
called them.
Oh no, they're going after the man. They're following the man back. I think they're very friendly. No. Cleo and Alex are having a little bit of time out the front while the other cats are out the back. Alex doesn't move much. We're just having a very small cough Thai breakfast at Blueport. I mean, look at the size of that egg.
So there's 2 fried eggs there on top of rice. Now this is far too much food for us, believe it or not. We only need 1 egg, but something seems to have happened here.
Lost in translation.
Yeah, lost in translation. So we ended up with 2 eggs instead of 1. But we don't worry about such things.
Loophole.
What have you got, Muzzy?
I don't know. But I'm sure I got some chilies on it.
Looks like a form of curry there. Very good. And how much was that, buddy?
That's 40 baht.
40 baht, what you see there, 40 baht.
Chris, what are you making?
Oh, hello. Well, we're making some diced chilli, and it goes into a jar here, and then we put in a bit of lemon and some vinegar. You can also put in fish sauce, but fish sauce is fairly salty, and we're trying to cut down our salt levels, so it's some vinegar and lime.
Yeah.
Lime.
Just like at the food court.
Yeah. This is the way to have it. Just cut them up in small pieces there. A mixture of green and red. You don't have. You can have one color if you want. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We just cut them up.
Some will add garlic to it.
Yes, well we can add garlic. We have some. I forgot about the garlic. Yeah, I'd recommend adding some garlic, and we'll get some garlic and put that in too. There's a few cloves of garlic diced, chopped up. There we go.
All right. we'll come back to you and
Show you the finished result.
yeah, results. Yeah.
Well, there we go, folks. That's what she looks like, and we just keep the liquid in there and just keep on topping it up with garlic and chilli, and it's really quite nice. But you're really supposed to use fish sauce instead of vinegar. But I said to you before that we're trying to cut down the salt, and that's the next best thing, and the lime juice.
Looks beautiful.
Try and get real lime juice if you can. We just got a, I don't know, it's not artificial, it's real, but it's like, and there you go. That's all you need to do. Very easy. Also, traditionally add a little bit of palm sugar to it, but we don't add any sugar. For the same reason, we're just trying to avoid sugar as well as salt. Easy and very tasty.
We have, at long last, our first ripe pawpaw or papaya, whichever you want to call it. I'm going to cut it and see what it's like. Wow, so far so good. Just get a spoon to... You ready? I'll just try it up the end here. Here goes. I hope it's nice.
Nice.
It's not too bad. It'll be nice once I cut it up and put it in the fridge. First, homegrown, organic pawpaw / papaya. Very good. Tell us what you think.
Well, this is homegrown pawpaw, right? Or papaya. We call it pawpaw, but it has no name, papaya.
What do you think about against the ones that you get at Big C?
Oh, I think this one's equally as good.
Once it's cold.
Well, yeah, well, I was going to say once it's cold, it'd be perfect. Yeah, absolutely delicious. No problem whatsoever.
Okay, so I'll cut it and put it in the fridge.
Yeah, yeah.
What have you done now, Chris?
Well, Linda, I'm afraid I broke the chair. See, as you probably know, all pieces of furniture have a finite weight limit. And I would say my weight probably exceeds the design weight limit on this particular chair, and we've busted this leg right off here. It collapsed. Now, I could get some epoxy resin and glue it up, but the design of this just shows you that there's a weak point. There's a weak point here, and that's why this chunk of wood is broken out, just completely broken out. So we could glue it up, but I don't know how long it would last. Ideally, we would need to take it to a carpenter or whoever the specialist is that deals with this kind of a problem, and have a new leg made.
Either that or you fix it up and we put it in a corner and pretend it didn't happen.
Well, yeah, well, that's another way. That's definitely another way. Definitely is another way. And just if I didn't ever sit on it again, I put a big red cross or something on it, or a danger sign or something, so I don't sit on it. But that's about all we can do with this. Epoxy might patch it up, but we can do whatever we want to do, but at the end of the day, this part here is quite weak.
We'll keep you posted.
Yeah, we'll keep you posted on it. We'll see what we can come up with.
It's Muzz's birthday, so I made him some fudge.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on, your new mouse. Now it's done over. Oh, it went over. Oh my, that's nasty. That's nasty, tricking him with something like that. He's a simple idiot.
Oh no, it keeps falling
Oh.
over on the tiles.
Okay, that one was the top.
That could be it, Muzzy. I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, hello everyone. We're just off to view another house, and there'll be a separate video on our viewing of this house. It's going to be we hope it's going to be a really nice house, so it'd be worthwhile you coming back and just trying to catch up on the video, so you can see yet another house, a 4-bedroom house that's available in Thailand.